Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Today I am going to talk about very common, well-known air purifying plant, that is spider plant or Chlorophytum. If you are new in gardening or if you are thinking to start gardening, this is the perfect plant for you. This is a very hardy plant which can be grown indoor as well as outdoor. You can grow this plant in hanging basket or in pots. Medium to bright indirect light is best for this plant. If you are growing this plant in low light, this plant will become leggy and does not grow well. If you have grown this plant inside your house in a room once in a week, it's better to take this plant out for giving it fresh air and some more light. Well draining soil is best for this plant. I've used 1 part of sand, 1 part of compost and 1 part of garden soil out here. I've grown in sand and compost also. Out here I have 80% sand and 20% compost also. Water this plant when top 2 inch is dry. Water moderately. Keep this plant to a dry side. It's better to water less than to overwater the plant. Overwatering may cause root rot. Apply liquid fertilizer once in a month. During summer and spring, I use half a spoon of NPK in 1 liter of water to fertilize this plant. And in the month of February, I give 1 handful of compost to this plant. Remove dead and dry foliage whenever needed to maintain the plant. This plant produces pups or babies from where you can easily multiply this plant. You can see here I have grown this from babies only, this plant. Here also you can see, and even in a small Bisleri bottle I've grown the plant. You can, and it's looking beautiful. Its foliage are looking gorgeous. You can also multiply this plant by division. You don't need to repot this plant frequently. Repot the plant when the root ball rise above the rim of the pot. Repotting is done during spring. I've never seen this plant attacked by any pest. Once in a while I spray neem oil while spraying to other my house plant. Biggest problem out here is root rotting. That is because of overwatering and your soil is not draining well. Most common issue in this plant is tip of the leaf getting brown. You don't need to worry, it is not the serious problem. It may be because of water quality or lack of humidity or dry soil. If water contain too much of chlorine, your leaf may turn brown like this. Do not water your plant directly from tap. Store it for 1 day and you can water after that. Increase humidity if air is extremely dry, and check the soil. If soil is very dry and you have not watered since long, water the plant. This is one of my favorite plant. It grows very easily. This is pet friendly, means it is non-toxic. This is air purifying. You can keep this on the tabletop. You can plant this in hanging basket. In short, with minimum care, this plant gives very beautiful look to our home and garden. This is it for today, friends. Take care of yourself. Keep planting. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching HR Garden.